Hey, boys and girls, welcome to December's Number Corner, and we're our calendar grid for second grade. And joining us today, we have Zara from Miss Kelly's room. Zara, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Zara, so what do you know about what do you know about our calendar grids?
That some has been leaves.
Okay, some have been leaves. What else have we had this year?
We had clocks.
We had clocks. So now we're in December. So what do you think December is going to be about?
About fall?
Maybe about fall. How come?
Because it is like almost winter.
It is almost winter, and winter doesn't really start till December 21st. So we have like 20 days in December that it is fall. So it could be fall. When I look on my calendar, I see a snowflake. Why do you think there's a snowflake there?
Because it's cold.
It is cold. Do you like snow, Zara?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing to do in the snow?
Build a snowman and throw it on my trampoline.
You throw the snowman onto your trampoline.
Yes.
That's wild. That snowman can't be too heavy, right?
I normally make it in big pieces.
Does he bounce and fly off, or does he just keep jumping up and down?
I actually just make it out of a ball. So I make the ball like a snowflake, kind of.
Cool. All right. So we're going to go to day one. You think it's going to be something to do with fall, right?
Yes, and winter.
And winter. All right. Ready? What do you see?
A
Do you notice this shape?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a rectangle.
A rectangle has 4 sides. What has 3 sides? Let me zoom in. What's a polygon with 3 sides and 3 points? Do you see this word? Can you read this word right here? Zara, what do you think this is?
A triangle.
It's a triangle, and it's not just any triangle. It's called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means that 2 of the sides are the same and 1 side is different. So do you see this bottom side here and this one on here on the left?
Yes.
They're the same size. And then this is longer. So this is called an isosceles triangle. So looks like we have shapes. What kind of shape do you think we're going to have on day 2?
A rectangle.
It is a rectangle. And what do you notice about a rectangle?
That it has four corners and 4 of sides.
It does. And with a rectangle, it does have 4 corners and it has 4 sides, but these 2 sides are congruent. The word congruent means the same. And then these 2 sides are longer than the other sides, but they're also congruent. Do you see how the top and bottom are the same and the left and right are the same?
Yes.
So we call these are all polygons. And they're polygons because they're closed in. So this is a triangle, which is a 3-sided polygon. And this is a quadrilateral, which is a 4-sided polygon. What do you think we're going to have on day 3?
A square.
You think a square? It's a circle. Does a circle have any corners?
No, it actually does not have no corners, but it does have, what is it called?
I'm not sure. It doesn't have any straight lines, does it?
No.
So guess what? This is a polygon. This is a polygon because it has straight lines that are closed. This is not a polygon. Do you know why?
Because it's humpy.
Because it's what?
Because it has straight lines and circles don't.
Right. It doesn't have any straight lines and it doesn't have any corners. Good job, Zara. All right, let's move on. What do you think day 4 is going to be?
Um, now I think it's gonna be a square.
Okay. And you know what? You might be right. I cannot figure this pattern out, Zara. It's a rhombus. Do you know what a rhombus is?
Kinda.
Okay. What do you think it is?
It's it where it if you put it up, it is a
Well, let me ask you this. How many sides does it have?
3.
Let's count. Ready?
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
So this is another quadrilateral. How many corners does it have, or vertices? Because a vertice is a corner.
4.
4. And then, do you see this line here?
Yes.
These lines are all the same size, or all the same length. So we call them congruent. Can you say the word congruent for me?
Congruent.
Congruent. So this is just like number 2 because it has 4 sides and 4 corners, and it's a quadrilateral, but these sides aren't all the same and these are. All right, let's go to day 5. What do you think day 5 is going to be?
Now I think it's gonna be square because we have almost all of them, or rectangle, or a triangle.
All right, let's see. Oh, how many sides does it have? 1, 2,
3.
3. So that means that it is a
Pentagon.
no. This what was this over here?
Rectangle.
No, a rectangle was day 2. Day 1 was a triangle. And so day 5 is also a triangle, but this says it's scalene. You know what scalene means?
No.
No, this is new for all second graders. Scalene means that each side is all different lengths. So it has 3 sides and 3 corners, but it has all different lengths. Well, Zara, I haven't figured out a pattern, and I'm not sure what's going to happen for day 6 and 7, but we're going to let the rest of your second graders guess what they think 6 and 7 is going to be. Remember, boys and girls, I filled out the Google form on the video for days 1, 2, and 3. I want you to fill out the Google form for 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's really important that you pay attention to these names and you learn them because you're going to need them for second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, all the way up until you get out of high school, okay? So, Zara, thank you so much for joining us and helping us with the start of our calendar grid.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good December.
Okay, bye.